Guys, look at the tomatoes all ready for harvesting in my small backyard. But this harvest is nothing compared to the one I'm about to show you. So let's go like a pro. This is reaping time. Will you eat pure vegetables?
Pure vegetable, no meat, fish,
Right.
hunger fish.
Fish
no.
you eat. Your skin how you look pretty, man.
Yeah, brown,
In a
huh?
long time I know you and you're working as sun like crazy.
Every day.
Every day in the sun.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's one,
Well, you love the farming though.
Yeah, that me go for.
We love it. In our blood, not true?
Yeah, same way. Come.
Brother, it's nice to see you though.
Yeah.
Man, may I tell you. Hey there nature lovers, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So guys, in today's video I will be sharing something very interesting with you. Guys, I went home to our property in South St. Elizabeth, the breadbasket parish, and guess what? They were harvesting tomatoes, and our neighbor Shot, our Rastafarian neighbor Shot, who farms the property, was harvesting. Yes guys, he was harvesting these beautiful tomatoes and the crop was so bountiful, delicious plummy tomatoes. So guys, I could not give up on that opportunity. I had to take you along even though I did not have my equipment to film, but you are going to enjoy this tour just the same. So join me on it guys. Let's go like a pro. Guys, look at this tomato farm. Look there. Wow. All melon me find in here. What's here? What's going on? How long ago you plant the tomato?
Tomato.
Eh. Oh, so you get 5 crop off it already?
5 picking.
5 picking?
Yeah.
Oh, 5 picking. So how much it go for now?
Well, then drop it cheap, you know?
Then drop it now, the price drop?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. About an acre this or 2 acres?
About an acre, about 1 acre, yes, sir.
1 acre?
Yeah.
My goodness.
1 acre.
It bare though.
Not bad, man.
Not bad, not true? I forgive right, look at this.
Yeah.
Wow, that is amazing. And you say you have 5 picking and
5 picking
so
middle,
much more is left in it though, not true?
Yeah.
So we're going to do with all of them ripe one here. You have to just give them like to hug or something to the pigs.
Yeah.
So nothing not get wasted, not true?
Mm-hmm.
So where melon them there?
No, no melon never beer there.
No melon never bear there?
Not even one never get.
Oh my goodness. Well, me a pick what me can find. I small one them. Guys, look. Look. It's overripe. It overripe. Overripe, guys, overripe. The other little one here that I had picked up. No time for knife. We're in the garden. That one overripe too. Overripe. This crop really bare though. Really bare. Not bad at all. Very good. This melon ready, but you see they are small. The melon never come to anything. Oopsie. Spoil. Stay and mulch the earth. Yes guys, this is one of our properties that we have in the countryside, the real countryside. Yes guys, it's real rural sites where we can do more farming than just in the backyard, you know. Very small melon. Oh, some of the other guys were doing the same thing we're doing too. Melon come to nothing. But tomato galore. Look at tomatoes. Look at tomatoes. Tomato for days. This what kind of tomato this called? What you name of this one again, Shot? What you name of this a tomato? Plummy tomato?
Yeah.
You don't have any other name?
Yeah, man, call it DR.
DR. Oh, DR. How long it take to come? When you plant it?
10 weeks, 2 months. But
2 months?
But 10 weeks.
10 weeks. 2 months and oh, look at this guys. So about 10 weeks from your plant. You did trade them as well?
Yeah, me trade them.
You trade them. Okay, so what you planted was a seedling, right?
Yeah.
And you use the drip system. Right, so you plant each one at the drip, right?
Every 1 foot.
Every 1 foot you have it at the drip, right? That makes a lot of sense, not true?
Yeah.
And you get the water, use the water with the drum right there, so? Right. So even when it's drought, you don't have no problem. When you have water. Guys, even when it's drought, we have no problem once we have the water. Yes, guys. Wow. This farm has been reaped 5 times already. So this is like, what it says? No, 4 times already.
Yeah, 5 times now.
5 times no.
Yeah, and
Wow.
we can't pick it back up now, make some go to the earth.
What did you say? You're picking some.
Yeah, but the bother one them a go to the earth.
And you go back to the earth because you want to mulch it, right?
Mold the place.
Right. You want to mulch it up, or what do you call it? Mold it up?
Mulch it up.
Mulch it up, right. You're a real Jamaican Rastafarian man, though, you know. You eat vegetables and so on.
Pure vegetable meat.
Look at me.
Yeah.
Will you eat pure vegetables?
Pure vegetable.
You don't eat meat?
No meat. Fish.
Right.
Hunger fish.
Fish
no.
you eat.
Yeah.
Fish.
Yeah.
No
Fish,
meat.
no meat. Pure vegetable.
Look at your skin, how you look pretty, man.
Yeah, brown.
In a long time I know you, and you're working as sun like
every,
crazy.
Every day.
Every day in the sun.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it one, yeah.
Well, you love the farming though.
Yeah, that me go for.
We love it. In our blood, not true?
Yes.
We grow up together and you still farm the land.
Farm the land same.
Yeah. Nice.
Come.
Brother, it's nice to see you though.
Yeah.
Man, may I tell you, look on your skin how pretty. May I tell you. So you eat what you plant.
What you sow.
Right.
Yeah, what you plant.
Right. We eat what we plant, eh? Yeah, me sorry, so we never get no melon this time.
No
Good.
melon. No.
Can't get everything.
Everything.
Yeah, and we never put no too sweet pepper in there either.
Everything we no plant. That's through the weather.
The weather. You see, it is from one to the other.
Yeah, the weather.
Because remember, we just finished with the
hope.
storm.
Ah.
And then from the storm now, we have a little drought setting on us right here now too. Not true? Yes, we got a little rain yesterday. So you're not going to have another picking of this then?
Yeah, man.
How many more pickings you have?
Yeah, one more picking on this.
One more picking you're making. You don't want to be greedy. Is that what you're saying to me, Shot? Well, look here, Shot.
Yeah.
Wow.
I said they're beautiful.
Man, them beautiful. And this is the 5th picking. So that means I wouldn't like to see the first one. The first one was
Yeah, my first one is big.
nice.
And big.
But you don't want to be greedy. So you say all of these that you have here, so go and put back to the earth.
Yeah, the bother one, them, I put them back to the earth. No hug. They don't want it, so they not come over.
Oh, so you not give them none. You're going to make the you not give the pig them you're not going to give the pig the bad one them.
The people them are going come here come the cooking one.
Or you say you're going to allow the people to come and look? Which day you're going to do that? I thought our neighbors here, so right?
Right, the neighbors everyone.
Right, so the neighbors around, you're going to allow them to come and pick some of them, right? For cooking purposes.
Cooking purpose, yeah.
That is so
And like a
nice.
parcel business.
A little what?
And like a parcel business. Get
Right,
people,
give them some.
Yeah, and go.
Right, but that is a very nice way to give back though,
Yeah,
not true?
You give, forget.
Eggs. Say that again for me.
You give, forget.
You give to
Get.
get. Right. So you're not going, two things I learned from you today, you know. One is that you're not going to allow the pigs to come in here because whatever is left is going to go back to the ground to mulch the ground.
Yeah.
And secondly, you're going to allow, before you allow that, you're going to allow the people, our neighbors, to come and pick off what they want
And go cook.
and go cook and whatever they want to do with
Anything
it.
they want. One of them get these okay.
Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Whoa, this is so nice though. Look here, and all green one will come up still, you know. Green one.
Go pick 1, 2 feet I can go market. When you pick it? You know there tomorrow?
Wow. But see, start mulch the ground already, you know. Some of them start mulch the ground.
Yeah man now.
So nice one up here, so too. Watch here.
Yeah man, I pick go.
Oh, yeah, pick. Oh, you don't pick all over. You pick from bottom to top.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at these. Look at these. So they're nice. Look there. Look here, guys. Look there. No, look at the seed there, son. I get all a lovely breeze from the seed. Wow. What a way the tomato beer. It beer like crazy. Wanna say beer like token? Beer like grape. Beer like grape. Farm tour, South St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. We are reaping, we are harvesting tomatoes. And guys, can you believe what our family member just said? It's 5 pickings. He has already done 4 picking and he's on the 5th picking. And look at what they still look like. Look there. Amazing. Pretty. We call them plummy tomato growing up. All these, he throw these away. Because he said he does not want these. These are going to be thrown back to the earth to mulch the earth. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So beautiful. By the way, guys, my name is Sandra and I'm a small backyard gardener here in the breadbasket parish of St. Elizabeth on the beautiful island of Jamaica. I provide gardening tips, tricks, hacks, and DIY for mainly beginner gardeners as well as more experienced gardeners here on YouTube, and for those who are nature enthusiasts. All are welcome. Thank you very much for joining me. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that notification bell, guys, so that every time I post, you will be notified. Thank you very much. From tomato to pumpkin. Look at that one up there, sir.
It's your fast income.
Yes, look at that one up there, sir. Oh, these not good, guys. Send it right back to the earth. Send it right back to the earth. Get my hand in it. Ooh, nice. Right back to the earth. Right back to the earth. What a pumpkin, look here. What a, this year we bought much boat? About 20 pounds?
About 10 hours. I just said you put.
About 10 pounds, you're not ready yet though. But some out there so look like you're ready. Some out there so look like you're ready to me. No plant pumpkin here, so too. What a way pumpkin pretty. Watch here, look at this pumpkin. Watch here.
I guess you're ready at this photo, you know?
Look at that. You're not quite ready yet though.
Ooh, look there. It this one. I hit me a look at it bear in the stone. Watch there. Watch there. What is this? Here in the stone. Can't shift. Look there. So now get it out. You not ready yet? What a place fruitful. Watch it.
What a place.
Nice, look here. Pumpkin. Look at that. Look there. Tomato and pumpkin on the land. Oh, look, the sweet potato too? Wow, look there, man. It's a pumpkin and sweet potato. Yeah, cassava too. The pumpkin cover them up quick, yeah. Yeah, but the pumpkin pretty too. Whoa. What kind of potato this? And a red belly. And the ordinary one. They will eat. Yeah. So I mold them up here, so. I see you plant them here, so you mold them up. What no pumpkin I start go here, so I don't see no pumpkin. So one little one come out here, so. The other side really fruitful. Where? They soon come up because they have a lot of blossom. Yeah, see them start come up there. See there, so? They start come up. See there, yeah, they start come up. See them there, so? And see some, yeah, they just start come up. I know long time you plant it. Yeah. How long ago you plant here, so?
Oh boy, 1 hour.
Yeah, then just, wow, they're pretty. Yeah, it is, the ground is fresh. The soil fresh. Get good season and it is fresh. It's fresh. Not much never plant up here so before. Wow. This is pretty though.
So thank you very much guys for joining me in this video. Join me in my next video where I'll be planting up my brand new garden for the season. Please guys, you do not want to miss that one. Thank you so much again guys for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And until me see you next time, walk good, enough love. Bye guys. Lots of love.